Hi, would you pay somebody over $50,000 to coach you? I did. Why? Because he helped me make over $700,000 in 10 months. My name is Armando Montalongo from the hit TV show A&E's Flip This House. And I want to introduce to you my good friend Joel Therrien. Now Joel has gone and personally taught me how to make over $700,000, over $70,000 per month on my internet business, when a year ago I wasn't making a dime. And now for the first time ever, Joel, the true internet guru, has gone and put his magical secrets down on a DVD for you. And he's made it affordable, and let me tell you, it's more than worth the investment. Go and get Joel's A to Z of how to make money on the internet, and get it now, because I will tell you, this is a fantastic money-making tool from somebody who knows real estate. I don't even know the internet, and I'm making $70,000 a month in residual income. And let me tell you, if I can do this, you can do it too. Joel Therrien is the internet guru.